Kalau cewek kayaknya you lebih interesting talk daripada.
Tak lah, aku justru lebih malu sama cewek.
Hah?
Aku malu sama cewek.
Malu?
Ah,
Malu atau malas?
Sebenarnya ada di Indonesia namanya kan Serikat Pekerja.
Oke.
Tapi dia nggak sepowerful di sini gitu.
Iya.
Awal dari terbentuknya union ini kan itu dari mafia.
Negative K, nothing further, just Titty Cabby in the corner.
Maju mo ko? Gatot dan Bro Lewi. Kok tiba-tiba langsung bilang kita lagi mau ke studio?
Di rumah dia lagi mau jalan, dia bilang mau ini enggak podcast.
Oh ya?
Iya.
Biasanya di hari Selasa kan jalan sama cewek biasanya kan. Kalau hari
Mana nih?
Selasa kan.
Banyak di ceweknya.
So I don't have a girl.
Hah?
I don't have any girl at all. What are you talking about, mate?
Side chick.
Sejak kapan di sini, Bro?
Aku datang sini itu 2009.
2009.
2009. Ya. Januari 2009.
Sekolah ya?
Sekolah ya. Dulu di Florida. Terus 3 tahun di sana. Habis itu transfer ke sini, ke New York.
Majornya apa, Bro?
Dulu majornya itu ganti-ganti sih, soalnya dulu kan masih nggak tahu mau ngapain.
Pokoknya ada mana keren itu
Iya.
diambil.
Dulu ambil commercial art, painting, terus ganti jadi nursing, ganti lagi gitu.
Jadi banyak ini tes,
Iya.
main tes aja.
Main tes
Terus yang terakhirnya apa yang di
terakhir graphic design.
graphic design?
Mhm.
Berarti bisa bikin dong ya?
Ya lumayan lah.
Oh ya.
Iya, lebih ke nggak tahu ya namanya, dia new media technology. Jadi kita belajar semua tentang new media. Iya, video, website.
Is that like content creator?
Yeah, you can say that.
But why don't you make one?
Kerjanya beda.
Kata lain sih.
Nah, oke. Kamu sekarang dari art nih, selalu ke art nih.
Yeah.
Semua involving dengan art. Sekarang apa? Terus kenapa bilang bedanya? Kenapa?
Sekarang malah dapatnya kerja di hotel.
Ada hotel.
Iya, as a concierge.
Oh,
Yeah, front desk.
concert.
Yeah.
How long ago?
I started as a concierge maybe almost 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, almost.
You like it, right?
Why you-
Gak ada lah yang
You have to say you like it, mate. Otherwise, like,
gak ada yang orang kalau nggak gimana ya dibilangnya.
you have to passionate about your
Yeah.
job.
There's no passionate about concierge, bro.
But the thing is, like, you just have
Hospitality,
to
yeah, probably.
hospitality.
Sudah bisa kelihatan dia suka art, ya kan?
Yeah.
Maybe some kind of fashion. Kamu ada tattoo, ada the way you dress, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Terus
Stylish.
kok tiba-tiba menjadi front desk? Ini angkat telepon, awasin orang masuk ya.
Makanya iya.
Kalau ada yang mencurigakan nggak lolos.
Bikin appointment, bikin reservasi, bikin anything basically following up of the guest schedule.
Tapi kalau 3 tahun, you suka, bro. 3 tahun itu nggak sebentar loh.
Ya bisa dibilang sih terpaksa karena duitnya oke, why not?
Terpaksa, ya?
you know. Benefitsnya bagus. Padahal sekolahnya kagak dari situ.
Makanya saya
Iya.
bilang. Tidak sesuai jurusannya.
Enggak lah. Aduh, gimana ya? Aku datang sini tuh kayak I survive on my own.
Oke.
You know, like so
most
I
of
have
us.
I have to do it whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Yeah, whatever it takes. Any job, you name it. I've been there, I've done that. Any job.
Are you sure, mate?
Yeah.
Like, what kind of job have you done?
Anything like
Like, how about dishwasher?
surfer, dishwasher, and kitchen helper, line cook. What else? Dog walker, construction,
Jadi kau memang tes semua ya.
anything, you know.
Kalau sudah bosan keluar lagi gitu.
It's not about bosan atau enggak, kayak apa aja tuh datang gitu loh tiba-tiba. Mau kerjaan ini enggak?
Oke.
Langsung ajar. Berhenti dari satu, mau kerjaan ini enggak? Langsung ajar. Sometimes aku kerja bisa 1 hari gitu kayak 2 different places. Yeah.
What do you think, Gatot?
Yeah, so my mate here is a hard worker.
Hard worker.
Yeah, it's like I seen him get up like at 6 and finish like at 12 o'clock at night. So it's like 18 hours.
You know, the OT
Yeah,
always
so,
call, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta pick up some OT, man.
Yeah.
So it's make it makes lots of money too.
Yeah.
Overtime,
yeah.
always pick it up overtime. I'm the only one who always picked up overtime.
Wait, overtime is you
Yo.
got paid more, right?
Yeah, time and half.
Time and half.
Secure job.
Right.
Terus kita nggak bisa dimanipulasi sama manajemen.
Right.
Just do whatever job description we have.
Mhm.
Just follow the books.
Mhm.
Other than that, they can't say nothing.
Union ya, masuk union ya,
Yeah, local 6.
local
Local
6.
6.
Tapi kan baru 3 tahun nih, kok bisa langsung union? Persyaratannya masuk union itu gimana sih, berapa?
Sebenarnya gini, Deng. Aku waktu itu masuk as a subs. Jadi kalau di hotel atau hospitality gitu, kalau ada yang sakit atau yang leave of absence, family matter leave of absence, jadi dia harus, instead of paying people overtime, kalau dia ambil 6 weeks or 7 weeks, ya kan, instead of paying people overtime kan banyak banget itu kan, dia hire substitute.
You the only one or any somebody else? Maksudnya menjadi subs itu?
Enggak, kita harus apply.
Kita harus apply, oke.
Kita apply.
Oke.
Nah, kalau udah substitute itu, kalau dia yang kita gantiin nggak balik-balik for some reason, like because they like to abuse the system.
Oke, I understand.
Yes.
Union.
They like to abuse the system.
Yeah.
Ambil 7 weeks, 8 weeks vacation.
They still get paid.
They still got paid.
Yeah.
You know. Ya udah, akhirnya itu yang aku gantiin, dia nggak balik-balik lagi.
Nggak balik-balik.
Aku dapat offer. Ya.
Dan itu begitu you masuk itu langsung jadi union.
Setelah offer, kan aku di situ udah like 6 months, dia nggak balik-balik,
Right.
baru udah jadi masuk union.
Wow. Tapi kalau umpamanya ndak seperti itu dia punya case ya, ini kan rare case-nya seperti ini.
Ya.
Apa
Caranya-
persyaratannya untuk masuk menjadi union gitu? Setahu saya
Sebenarnya
kan,
kita harus ke company yang hire union employee. Kalau dia terima kita dikasih 3 months probation. Kalau dia company mau kita full time, that's automatic.
really?
Iya. Gak ada persyaratan spesial atau apa.
Karena sedangkan seperti construction yang namanya union itu kan takes like
Kalau
10 years or something like that.
construction is different.
Why?
Kalau construction kita harus apply ke union, and then union bilang suruh kita kayak sekolah gitu loh, kayak kamu mau jadi apa, mau jadi bricklayers, mau jadi welding, mau jadi apa macam-macam kan di construction itu. Kita harus sekolah ambil license-nya.
Dan itu ada time frame yang harus dipenuhi dulu
Iya,
atau
kan apprentice 1, apprentice 2, baru jadi spesialis kayak gitu.
tapi pada dasarnya kan kalau namanya union itu kan orang kejar itu aja tadi benefitnya dan secure.
Secure, ya, very secure.
Apa perbedaannya antara what you do dengan construction yang lain yang banyak orang mau masuk tapi kan persyaratannya banyak gitu.
Iya, karena union itu kan ada local 6, local 7, local 1, ini semua kayak polisi. Udah union sendiri. Ada itu hospitality local 6, they have their own union.
Oke, coba jelaskan itu maksudnya. Ada local 1, 2, 3 itu apa bedanya?
Jobnya.
Ya,
Iya,
cuma
kayak-
jawabnya aja.
Iya, tapi sistem sama kayak benefitsnya itu almost the same.
Sama aja kan?
Sama aja.
You can abuse that system, right?
Yeah,
Kamu langsung bilang
definitely,
saya lagi sakit kepala 2 tahun tetap
That's
dibayar
it.
kan?
Dibayar.
Man, you guys crazy, bro. You wanna be a union, bro?
I don't know. I would like to, but I don't know.
Kalau di offer you, umpamanya bilang ada subs nih, do you think you gonna take it?
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't like to work.
You don't like to work?
I don't like to have schedule. You know.
Okay, you wanna free,
Yeah, free. You know, like
flexible.
Flexible. Yeah. I mean, if
Iya
if
sih.
if they
Emang
can offer
benar,
me
benar.
that job, like flexible hour, then why not?
Bagaimana kalau coba membuat union khusus untuk orang-orang malas? You wanna join?
Oh, of course, of course.
What?
Yeah.
Kayaknya
Local
dia mau
fundraising.
benefit tapi nggak mau diatur.
Nggak mau diatur,
Tapi
iya.
kelihatannya you cocok masuk union,
Iya,
bro.
Karena orang-orang gini nih.
Ya, ini yang bahaya nih. In your opinion, ini union ini you think it's kind of crazy, right?
Gimana ya? Sebenarnya bagus sih sistem ini. Sebenarnya sistem kayak begini tuh harus di-apply di Indonesia.
Dia play ya di
Iya.
Indonesia.
Sebenarnya ada di Indonesia namanya kan Serikat Pekerja.
Oke.
Tapi dia nggak sepowerful di sini gitu.
Iya.
Karena powerful sebenarnya dia awal dari terbentuknya union ini kan itu dari mafia,
Right, ya.
Italian mafia.
Berapa kali juga mau di demolish ini,
Yeah.
dihentikan tapi
Karena it's too powerful. You know, they go above and beyond.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't agree, they go above and beyond.
Right. I know. Ya, setengah mati dirobah
Yeah.
itu sistem meskipun kelihatannya yang seperti tadi itu most people, a lot of people abuse this system.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Termasuk yang kayak construction ya. Ada yang saya lihat itu di jalan raya itu.
Yeah.
Saya pernah bicara sama satu orang, dia bilang, "Yeah, I just going, clock in and
Yeah.
I just watching Facebook. We
No.
waiting for 3 hours, nothing, and then we done the job 1 hour and then we
Yeah.
still count 8
Yeah.
hours." Saya bilang, "You crazy, man."
Karena gini aku pernah lihat ada construction di depan hotel, and it's yang like I said, ada yang apprentice, ada yang kerjaannya cuma ngedigging, ada yang kerjaannya cuma konekin satu kabel ke kabel yang lain. You know, kalau dia lagi ngedigging kan dia nggak bisa konekin kabel, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So he has to wait until the digging finish.
Yeah.
So he's just stand there. Karena kerjaannya dia cuman connect itu kabel. Tapi kabelnya belum bisa di-connect karena belum didig, belum digali. Ya kan? Jadi dia standing just like that, you know. And then they all have different job description. Makanya enaknya di union kita semua tuh ada job description. Kalau nggak sesuai dengan job description ya kita salah juga ngerjain karena something wrong, kita yang di blame. This is not on your job description, why you do that? You know what I'm saying?
Iya.
Makanya itu terlihat orang-orang malas, tetapi sebenarnya dia tuh mau organize. Karena kan udah spesialisnya ngegali, ya lu nggali aja gitu loh. Spesialisnya.
I know. Kalau
not
itu sih,
like, it's not like a multi task
Yeah.
thing. You know, like for example, like what you do, like here you do tile everything, right? Like like setting up the wallpaper.
right.
Like I think it's in union, everybody has their own job.
That's a lot of money there.
And the budget is there, you know.
The budget is there.
That's why New York's infrastructure sucks. You know?
They
It's
take
like-
forever.
Yeah.
It takes forever. The roads here sucks.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
But if you think
Uh.
the older like infrastructure here, like the building, it's 100 years.
Iya, tapi kalau saya lihat dulu orang itu yang termasuk yang kita lihat picture yang di atas itu, you saw those guys? You see those guys?
Yeah.
This is real worker, you know?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
these people are like the architect or something.
Doesn't matter. There's some digger over there, some electrician,
They work their ass off.
Yeah. With,
Right.
fully commit,
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what I don't like also about the United States. It's like, lots of people, they want to get paid for something like they do not earn, like for example, like I fixed my car the other day. Like, this guy like ripped me off, like, instead of charging me like 150, I went to like some random mechanic because I want my car to be done as quick as possible. So he charged me like 300. I was like, oh shit, like, what can I do? So, it's just lots of rip off here. Like, lots of people wants to get paid
Yeah.
something they do not earn.
Kita kan juga pengalaman di sini. We have to know di kemana kita pergi.
Yeah.
Why you get in the first place?
Because it was at night, and that's the only shop that was open.
That one is part
See?
of
Yeah.
a business.
And then it's a
Kalau kamu sudah
special.
tidak ada choice, maksudnya kan?
Yeah.
I'm the only one now. I'm only willing to do it. $1,000. You want it or not? It's your choice, man.
Called demanding meat supplies.
Yes, absolutely.
You don't have
Yeah.
supplies,
Right.
and then you demanding. That's it. The price can marked up.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we pay a lot of taxes, but the roads are still shit here. Like, it's still like there's like pothole next to my house.
Yeah.
It's been there like for ages. Nobody come take a look and fix it. But the thing is, they always close the road all the time, and nothing is being done.
So you trying to say it's like a
One
union?
pothole
You don't like the union, right?
No. One pothole probably, in order for them to fix one pothole,
Mm-hmm.
it will probably take 15 people to do that.
But what about the union? You still don't like it?
I don't know. I mean, I just don't like the way how they, manage the road and stuff.
Yeah.
Because it's bad, man. It's bad.
Yeah.
Especially like you drive in Queensboro Bridge, right?
Mm.
Like when you enter, you see that shit road. It's been like that for like ages.
Jadi kalau kalau kekurangannya menjadi union tidak ada kayaknya ya?
Ada lah pasti.
What is it?
kekurangannya.
Okay, tell me, bro.
Karena kita bayar dues. Duesnya itu gede.
Oh, dia punya tax.
Different than tax.
Okay,
So we
tell
have
me. Nah, masalahnya ini perlu
federal tax.
Okay.
State tax, union dues.
Okay, filing tax as a single.
Yeah.
Just it's up to you kalau mau
Yo.
buka-bukaan. But let's say out of $1, how many percent out?
40%.
40%. So you take home 60%.
60%, yes.
60%. But kalau kamu plan tinggal di sini, it's good for your future, right?
Yeah, because social security.
Social security.
is for your security.
So looks like you're gonna stay here.
I don't know, but you don't have to stay here, to collect social security, you don't have to stay here.
Wow, 40%, man.
40%.
Memang agak lumayan banyak.
Besar. And the union dues just keep raising every year, raising. They raise our salary.
What do you mean union due?
Kita bayar iuran.
On top of 40%.
Yeah, on top of 40%.
So how many percent you think?
The iurannya sih nggak terlalu banyak, tapi per paycheck dia every week we have to pay. Tapi kan itu udah kita dapat insurance dari situ. Dari iuran itu kita ada insurance.
Kalau you don't wanna bayar iuran ya kita cari yang lain yang mau bayar iuran, you mampus lu ya enggak?
Iyalah.
Iya kan?
Iyalah.
Masalahnya tapi bisa di kick out menjadi union.
Bisa lah, definitely.
Apa kira-kira yang biasa, case apa yang biasa orang di kick out menjadi?
Stealing,
Stealing.
stealing, sexual harassment,
Okay.
time stealing. Time stealing it's like, let's say, in lagi jam kerja, misalkan belanja gitu loh, and then you disappear.
Di tempat kerja.
Yeah, and then they find out you're shopping or somewhere.
Ah.
That's time stealing.
Time stealing.
They still find it all the time, so they're getting kicked out.
No, still, no, time stealing.
Time stealing itu termasuk umpamanya, let's say begini. Saya bilang, saya ini sakit kepala ini.
Bukan time stealing.
Oke.
Kalau sakit kepala, it's you abusing the system.
You could
Oke,
just make
tapi
it tough.
itu juga
No,
bisa
time-
dipecat.
Nggak bisa.
Nggak bisa dipecat.
No, because you have the proof. Like you go to the doctor,
Oke.
you ask for the doctor notes.
Iya, bahwa memang harus tinggal di rumah.
Iya. Kalau ketahuan, paling dikasih
Warning.
verbal warning. Karena kan ada surat dokter.
Iya.
Dan most likely dia nggak bakal ngecek.
Iya. Tapi kalau tidak ada, let's say kita kan terkadang agak nggak enak badan, tidak perlu ke dokter kan?
Oh, kita ada 15 days a year sick call.
15 days a year.
Iya, 15 days a year.
Oke, you in 2 weeks, right?
Iya.
Dan itu bisa di take anytime aja gitu.
Bisa anytime you just call, hey, I'm sick, I cannot come. That's it.
Yeah. But what about if more than 15?
You gotta prove with the doctor's
Doctor.
note.
Have you
Right.
done it? You done it?
No.
No, come on, man. It's okay. We keep it secret. Only us.
No,
And then the few.
I don't like to do that because I like to roll over my sick days.
Okay.
I have a lot of sick days. I have a lot of vacation hour.
Hmm.
So I like to roll over,
Jadi tadi itu sexual harassment, stealing
That's
time,
And then you punch out with your regular clothes, like your house clothes.
oh kita
You know,
harus
like,
pakai uniform ya.
You have to punch in, punch out with uniform.
Uniform.
Yeah. Terus apa
Coba
lagi?
saya lihat dulu, what kind of uniform you have? Take a look at it. Okay. Oh begitu uniformnya ya. Oke.
Kayak gitu. Yeah.
Oke. Itu untuk for you company aja.
Different.
Jadi dia dari mana dia proof, dari CCTV begitu?
Yeah, everywhere they have cameras.
Oke, apalagi
every
selain
corner.
itu?
Basically like yang nggak forgivable lah, Kalau yang dikit-dikit dia pasti biasa aja, kayak verbal warning aja.
Tapi Gatot tadi langsung kancing, dia bilang Gatot, you
They
guys are
steal
stealing money
money
all
all
the
the
time
time.
anyway. So what do you mean by that,
How
bro?
they steal the money,
What do you
bro?
mean, bro? Oke.
I was just thought earlier.
Bahasa Indonesia aja bukan?
Ya kita bilang tadi kan, maksudnya nggak stealing time banget sih ya, man.
No,
They're just
kan lu
waiting.
bilang
Yeah.
they steal money all.
No, you have to clarify, man. Dia merasa offended dia. Masalahnya dikira dia stealing money.
No, it's not about him, but it's about like those, like yeah, we've talked about earlier,
I
yes.
Gimana?
Oh, yang seperti ini maksudnya dia
Yang mana?
ini yang perginya cuma seharusnya itu cuma sejam,
Oh.
muternya 4 jam ngerokok di situ berbungkus-bungkus sambil ngobrol. Begitu dia bilang, "Oke, that's it, bro.
That's it.
8 hours done, bro."
Yeah.
You just go plug that cable, and then little bit sweep of, the floor,
Definitely, yeah.
I see that everywhere, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then people say that's a union. So when ketika you bilang union, I say, oh, let's dig in. Apa kira-kira yang perlu kita tahu mengenai union ini selain itu kira-kira?
Apa lagi ya? Kayak kalau kita di layoff,
Hmm.
and then you just put your name at the office.
Hmm.
They call around all over New York City for the hotel. Kalau dia ada position, kita dikasih. Tapi based on seniority, and based on like mau ngapain kerjanya gitu.
A lot of money there, bro.
Yeah, I understand a lot of money, but money it's not everything,
Yeah.
Money is something, but
Benar
not
ya, kalau
everything.
masalah itu let's Gatot answer itu katanya money is not for everything, Gatot.
Yeah, it's really not like
It's really
no,
not.
like for example, like
Ya, bahasa Indonesia aja.
maksudnya aku di sini kan, like like make a lot of money and all that shit, but I'm still not happy.
Kita break langsung di sini. Lewi most likely dia mau tinggal di sini, dia suka di sini. You already like, you know what, this is not mine.
Sebenarnya sih dia kayak ini lebih personal, kayak karena kerjaan dia kan it's a self-employment, 1099, right?
Ya, tenannya.
And when you are a self-employment, you are self-employment. You by yourself. You don't have nobody
Right.
to talk to. You feel bored, of course.
You kelihatan lebih bored karena dia every passenger he can talk to.
Yeah, he just talk, but not a friend, you know.
Not friend.
I don't talk to
Yeah.
passengers too.
Oh, that's why make you lonely too. You feel like.
Yeah.
I just drop point A, point B. That's it.
Oh.
I mean, if the customer talk, but I'm not. I'm passive.
Kalau cewek kayaknya you lebih interesting talk daripada.
Tak lah. Aku justru lebih malu sama cewek.
Hah?
Aku malu sama cewek.
Malu? Malu atau malas?
Malu.
Malu.
Malu-maluin nanti.
Yeah.
Iya kayak gitu. Jadi aku lihat dia nih,
Ah.
like dia tuh boring pasti hidupnya. Karena nggak punya
Boring dia hidupnya. Oke,
Iya,
go ahead ya.
nggak punya coworkers,
Gak ada
you know?
coworkers. Ah.
nggak punya
Tempat.
ada teman, mungkin ada teman tapi different department, different job,
Uh-huh.
kan susah bergaul.
Different
kayak
time.
gitu. Iya, different time. Kalau kita kerja, kita punya coworkers, so we interact. you
Iya. So in your job, karena kita belum pernah lihat satu shift, itu kan ada shift-shiftannya.
know. Bertiga kita.
Bertiga,
Iya.
I do one shift.
In one shift.
All of them union?
The whole
Sama.
building.
God damn, bro.
Iya. Ada porter, doorman, sama concierge.
Bellman apa?
Doorman and porter. Resident side dia.
Kemarin yang Filipina itu siapa lo?
Filipina mana ya?
Yang kemarin itu.
Yang
Yang lu lewat itu, yang gue lewat ada bos gue.
That's my
Ada
she's
si
like
GM.
she's a manager, but she's been there for a long time, but she's not a GM. She's just a manager.
Oh, union as well.
No management, they're not union.
Oh,
That's
enggak
why.
manajemen ya? Enggak.
That's why all the managers they envy us. They're trying to
be
go-
like you guys.
No, not to be like us. They're trying to like.
Then why don't they? Oh, let me lower myself. Let me not be manager, but
No, but-
be a union member.
No, but you're a manager. A manager, it's a higher title.
But the thing is, you don't they don't get like as
No.
much as benefit like you guys. It's that.
Bro, some people they want to be a manager.
Yeah.
What are you talking
I agree.
about?
Some people prefer title over benefits.
Yeah.
Dia sudah jawab tadi bahwa dia making money, only thing is not secure karena tidak diprotek oleh union.
Iya,
Itu aja sih
itu
sebenarnya.
aja.
beda.
Dan dia harus deal with
The tenants.
they have to deal with crazy union employee.
Hmm.
Like,
Ya, sedikit-sedikit sedikit-sedikit.
yo, can you do this? No, this is not my job. Find someone else. Oh, you have to find somebody else. can you do this? No, I don't want to do this.
Karena merasa diprotek gitu.
Yeah. The union,
The
when
union.
they work 20, 25,
Right.
200,000 easy.
Hmm.
Manager, GM, maybe 200,000. That's a GM.
Hmm. Wow.
Mhm. Yeah.
What you thinking, bro? Looks like you're thinking. You are thinking right now.
No, I'm just what Lewis said is mind blowing. Like
Yeah.
yeah,
Like what?
like like the manager. It's not even the manager can earn as much money as the don't like those yang benerin jalan itu kayaknya jalan New York tuh jelek banget, Daeng. Daeng kan tahu kan.
Iya, iya. I know.
Potholnya tuh di situ-situ terus nggak pernah dibenerin gitu loh, dan gue bilang what the like. Dan gini deh, kalau seandainya dibenerin nih, they close like suppose the thing right here, yang bolong dari ini, seluruh jalan ditutup 15 orang, and it takes like 15 days.
Yeah. Lu lihat gitu kan, lu nggak tahu apa yang dia lakuin gitu loh.
Iya, cuman tapi emang ini benar diperlukan, soalnya kan kita ada study gitu, kayak project yang mengambil 9 hari di Eropa, yang ngambil berapa hari, gua nggak tahu, kayaknya 9 orang atau 9 hari. Di sini tuh ngambil 24 orang gitu loh.
Oh, yang di Eropa 9 orang, di sini 24 orang.
Iya, istilah gitu, the same job, the same project.
It's actually a good thing, cause kenapa? Karena penduduk Eropa, penduduk di New York City aja tuh udah banyak New York City. Ya kan?
Terus
kalau let's say dia hire 9 orang doang, banyak yang jobless dong.
iya sih,
You know what I'm
makanya
saying? Banyak yang nggak kerja, dan bayaran living cost di sini kan expensive.
iya, dan nggak tahu sih ini benar apa nggak, cuman banyak orang yang kerja di underground gitu. Maybe
What do you mean underground?
kayak yang di subway gitu loh.
Oh, oke.
Jadi katanya sih 200 dari 900 tuh dibayar untuk nggak ngerjain apa-apa gitu.
Dan many people complain about that, but they cannot do anything. Seperti dia bilang tadi, this union is very powerful. It's been going on for a long time. Berapa kali mau dihilangkan ini, tapi persatuannya luar biasa.
Kayaknya hampir every state they have their own union.
Let's say bahwa union dihapus.
Yeah.
You think you still gonna continue?
If they made the same, I'll do that.
Huh?
Because I'm not a person like hard to work with. I'll do everything. Like kalau banyak orang, bukan job desk gue, ngapain gue kerja. No, I'm not like that.
Oh, jadi kalau ada manajer tanya, excuse me, can you do
let's
this?
do it. If I have time, I can do it. I'll
Walaupun
do it.
Yeah,
Marcel,
I always try to help.
Oh,
But
okay.
anything goes wrong, she back me up like, dia cuma mau bantu.
What do you mean anything's wrong?
Misalkan kayak, can you email this person to do this.
Oh ya.
Ya kan? Kita email. Karena kadang kan email anything kayak third person communicate itu kan biasa miscommunication kan?
Salah.
Ya. Anything goes wrong,
You get
kita
paid.
di blame, tapi masih di backup gitu loh, karena kita cuman trying to help. If I see my manager is good, I always help.
Mau ngambil pick up garbage itu, bro.
No, ada satu job desk kita yang nggak harus kita yang ngerjain. Kayak misalkan ada yang komplain, tolong benerin dong lampu di kamar aku nih, ya kan?
Iya.
Kita put on the request, right?
Iya.
When we put on the request, please fix lights on room this, ya kan? Yang harus nge-close itu request kan sebenarnya engineer-nya kan?
Iya.
Sometimes engineer-nya itu nggak ada waktu buat nge-close itu request, right?
Iya.
Tapi bos aku misalkan, can you close that request because the request has been like piling up. Jadi banyak requestnya itu, can you close it one by one? Kalau aku tahu apa yang dilakuin engineer-nya, misalkan person A, misalkan namanya Budi lah gitu, misalkan Mahmud, engineer-nya Mahmud. Oh, Mahmud ke ruangan ini, dia benerin ini, kita close, right?
Tapi kalau si Mahmud nggak benerin gimana?
Jangan di close.
Jangan
It's this is all request that has been done.
Bener.
Tapi dia nggak punya waktu buat
Untuk
nge-close.
close, iya.
Sebenarnya yang close itu kan harusnya engineer-nya kan. Terus bos aku, can you close this please, gini. Ya udah aku kerjain. Tapi another concierge they don't wanna do it. Karena yang close itu sebenarnya kan engineer, like I said.
Ya.
Bahkan kerjanya
Right?
dia.
Ya.
But for some reason it helped me because kalau customer datang, did you fix my room, right?
Ya.
And then you look stupid. Oh, let me check. You look stupid, right?
Right.
Let me, you look unprofessional.
Right.
Karena engineer-nya yang nge-close request itu.
Oke.
Kalau kita yang request, kalau kita yang nge-close, kita udah tahu dia udah fix it.
Iya.
Jadi kita udah di luar kepala. Oh iya, dia udah fix jam segini. Tadi dia begini. You don't have to type in, you don't have to look for the system.
Yeah.
Kan kita concierge kan ada 3 orang kan. Yang lainnya dia nggak mau kerjain, kayak ngapain gue nge-close, bukan kerjaan
It's
gue.
not my job.
Sebenarnya sih emang bukan kerjaan kita. Karena satu sisi dia benar juga. Karena kalau kita yang close, misalkan anything goes wrong, engineer-nya misalkan nge-fix something tapi malah makin rusak. Tapi kita udah bilang udah di close, udah di fix.
Iya.
Kita yang di blame nanti, oh kenapa kamu bilang udah fix ternyata masih
belum.
rusak. Ya, gitu.
Iya.
You know what I'm saying?
Iya,
There's
jadi harus-
always
iya.
right and wrong.
Ya harus pintar-pintar lah juga.
Iya.
Artinya
Gitu.
kalau ada yang bisa dilakukan ya maksudnya reasonable lakuin aja.
iya.
Terus kalau tim merasa itu resikonya ndak usah, jangan mau jadi pahlawan nanti.
Iya, benar-benar.
Ya nggak?
Iya.
Kita keluar dari sedikit Union. Pengalaman yang paling berkesan selama di US apa, bro?
Java Village.
Nah,
Why not?
what are you talking about? itu enak karena saya ketemu banyak sekali orang Indonesia kerja di Java Village.
Yang
Ya
di sini, yang di dekatnya Kamlun situ dulu.
Yes, iya.
Iya.
Oke.
Saya ketemu semua orang Indonesia, saya kenal
Oke.
dari situ karena
What do you do there?
cooking.
You can chef, you chef too, bro.
You know, just trying, you know.
Ya, baik. Bro, from A to Z, man, sudah dicoba semua, man.
Iya.
You know. Wow, that's cool.
Itu enak karena banyak ketemu teman, banyak ketemu kenal orang.
Cewek di situ.
Cewek juga maybe. Cause you know everybody goes there, you know. Like all the Indonesian goes there.
Iya.
Iya.
Yang di corner itu kan,
Yang
yang
corner itu, iya.
trying to make money and then gain experience kan.
Iya.
What do you wanna make actually? Maksudnya pasti ada kan nanti masanya bahwa in this year I'm gonna make something happen gitu. It's not about money, it's not about benefit, it's about you gitu.
Banyak sih sebenarnya. Sebenarnya banyak.
Ya kalau masalah banyak semua orang banyak.
Iya, banyak sebenarnya. Cuman saat ini tuh aku fokus nabung aja dulu.
Okay.
You know, when you have money, you can do
Correct.
anything.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's
You
good.
know, money
Iya,
it's
iya.
all behind
Yeah,
it.
Itu key
Yeah.
di situ. Kunci di situ.
Kuncinya di
Nah,
situ.
Oke, saya kan kemarin tanya Gatot nih. What about you? Do you think menurut you manage it well atau masih off?
Probably managing well.
Nah.
Dulu kan masih muda, you know.
Ya dah.
Go out every day.
Ya.
You eat out every day.
You all done it.
Yeah.
Sekarang kan shiftly berubah gitu.
Mhm.
Ada juga yang tidak memang.
Yeah.
Banyak orang juga bilang, kenapa sih kamu mau tanya orang seperti itu? Saya tanya karena saya tahu dia akan jawab.
Yeah.
Dan that question is not for everybody.
Yeah.
It's only among friends, right?
Yeah.
Man,
Yeah.
ya,
Soalnya sekarang
keep doing
lebih-
whatever you do, bro.
Lebih wiser aja sih.
Of course.
Yeah, you know, getting older, wiser, think twice.
Hmm.
You know, you trying to live healthy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You feel thing like if before like 1 pack you smoke 2 pack now, right?
2.5.
2.5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Gatot kemarin bilang di sini agak susah dapat cewek.
Itu benar
Hmm.
yang Gatot bilang lebih susah. Karena gimana ya? Karena
Cewek
kita
Indonesia datang
introvert.
situ bule, bro.
No, it's not about cewek Indonesia, cewek bule. Karena kita itu introvert. Sebenarnya kalau kita bergaul,
Tetap
bergaul,
aja susah.
bro, karena intention lo tuh always, oh I wanna be her boyfriend, I wanna be her boyfriend.
Yeah.
Enggak gitu.
Gak boleh
juga sih.
intention, gak boleh begitu.
Yeah.
Just talk, that's it.
Hmm.
Sometimes karena banyak kan orang kita kan malu gitu loh, ngomong-ngomong gitu malu karena udah gitu. Sometimes it's different topic, sometimes different mindset.
Hmm.
Maybe for us it's funny, for them it's not funny, and become awkward. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it's like they don't want to hang out no more.
Weirdo, you know, weirdo.
Not the right time, not the right place.
Yeah.
Huh?
Weirdo,
Yeah.
weirdo.
Dia
Jadi
bilang,
become weird.
Iyalah,
Yeah.
you wanna be funny tapi this guy is weird, right? You know what I mean? Menurut you bagaimana dengan Gatot?
Hah?
Dia masuk ke mana dia?
Dia masuk ke weirdo dia.
Weirdo dia.
Weirdo gimana?
Weirdo di mana tahu? Coba jelaskan
And
dulu dia,
then
Gatot.
dia nggak nyambung kadang-kadang.
Oh ya?
Iya.
Ya, coba Gatot,
Nggak
coba.
nyambung gimana?
Orang ngomong A nanti dia jawab B C D E.
Oh, begitu much
Banyak,
information
iya.
maksudnya?
Iya.
I don't think I'm like that.
Udah gitu dia gimana ya? Terlalu dibikin-bikin kalau ngomong sama orang nggak flow sama kayak.
Dibikin-bikin like what?
Oh, no, maksudnya mungkin dia lebih maksudnya dia nggak luas. What do you think about that, Gatot? You agree or no? Ini masalah your roommate, bro. This is your roommate. Look, I only connecting the conversation. You know, it's
I barely talk to people, so I don't know.
you barely talk
See
to
why
people.
you barely talk to people?
Because I've met nobody, you know.
Why? How come you not?
I
know?
just drive
you have
Uber
so
and
many-
go home and that's it. You know, and I talk with my cousins.
You drive, bro. Let's say 20 people are there. Let's say, right?
Masa
Oh,
5
10.
orang aja nggak?
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Potentially become friend or wife or girlfriend. That's a lot of people there.
No. In New York, it's not like that. You know, the status, like, you know, like, you think they would want to take Uber driver, mate? There's no chance.
No, I tried to talk to Gatot last time. Now I talk again. Kelihatannya Gatot tuh bahwa langsung asumsinya bahwa nobody like a driver.
Iya. Nggak
No,
bisa
you.
gitu,
I
bro.
told you before. Don't. You have to erase this from your mind.
no chance.
No.
Why?
Udah ini dulu
status.
dia.
Ya.
Udah.
Sebenarnya nggak boleh. Seriously Gatot.
I'm just being real, mate.
No, bro.
It's the reality, you know, like.
What do you think? Coba.
Mungkin
kalau-
di metropolitan city kayak New York City ya, people pastilah lihat, you know, karena dia kan, gue udah kerja nih, gue harus spend ini banyak, masa gue dapatnya yang kayak gini lagi gitu.
I still disagree.
No,
These
but
guys. Yeah.
racism still real.
Yeah,
Oh ya, of course. Kalau itu, kalau racism itu sejak dulu, sejak waktu
maybe if you
zaman
know,
batu sudah ada racism.
how
Okay.
they treat us when we walked into the the state house. We
Yeah,
don't gotta
of course,
name
we're
it.
wrong, bro. That's a high-end steakhouse. We came with t-shirt and
Okay.
hat.
Ya, oke.
They said, "Oh, you gonna stay here? Can you take off your hat?"
But the way they look at us, you could see from there. He said, "Take off your hat." He didn't say it politely.
Yeah.
I mean, if he take out your hat, please, you know, like that would be a
And then
good
you
manner.
see people with hat inside. Why they asked me to take off my hat, and you see people with hat.
We come there to pay, and that's how we get. I mean, like, I know we were wrong, but you could just tell us in a respectable manner. And like,
So what do you respond?
he just took off his hat. I mean, he could just said, "Take off your hat, please. Take off your hat," like he was a criminal, you know.
Jadi apa lagi selain
Nice.
itu yang you feel like is,
I don't know. I just feel like you know, as you know, I'm a citizen here, but I just never feel like I'm being treated as one of their citizen. You know, so that's just how I feel. You know.
Okay. You stick with that, kayaknya sudah masuk ke bawah alam sadarnya Gatot bahwa that's the way people treat
And no, I
him.
mean, racism still exists, but they just don't show it.
Kalau saya sih bilang tadi sejak zaman batu sudah ada namanya racism.
Mungkin juga karena metropolis, kota metropolis, you know, dia lebih kayak,
Kalau orang bule pasti di treat well gitu loh. Ngerti nggak?
jadi, nih dia orang mau duit gua aja nih, atau ini mau dimanfaatin doang nih, gitu.
Mindsetnya udah kayak gitu sih.
Kita pikir dia begitu, dia pikir kita
Ya,
begitu.
jadi
kalau
saling
udah
mencurigai
ketemu,
memang.
Tapi enggak, Dan, kalau menurut aku sih kalau kita cowok nih, cowok dan nggak bule itu the most yang paling the most unfortunate position ever.
Enggak Gatot, kalau
Stereotype
saya
doang.
maybe you thinking like this. Orang bule itu is better than you.
Iya.
Emang kenyataannya begitu sih apa?
Coba jelaskan dulu Lewi.
kayaknya
Coba
Asian-
jelaskan Lewi.
Kalau cewek pasti kalau ngeliat bule udah pasti yang
Nggak
gua
juga,
bilang,
man.
yang gua bilang ini. Gua nih Asia, lu pakai dasi kayak mau deketin cewek, tetap aja lu kalau sama bule yang pakai baju rombeng-rombeng.
No.
Enggak, kalau kamu pikir mengenai mungkin physical Itu. Tapi namanya connection orang itu, if she like you then
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Tapi kalau she like you, it's really hard to make them like you, you know.
It's really up to you now. Why I disagree with that, Gatot? I have a lot of story I cannot tell here. I swear to God, seriously.
Yeah.
It's hard, man.
It's hard to you. What about you, Levi? It's not
I
that
don't
hard,
know.
right?
I just don't try it. If I don't have like that, that feeling,
Mhm.
I don't do it.
Indonesia is like, one shot, one kill, you know. And here, like, so many shots, no kill. You know? One shot, one kill.
What kind of weapon you use?
Kayak, it's like one shot, one goal gitu loh, ngerti nggak? You don't need to try so many, but you just try one and you get it.
Oh, okay.
Tapi in reality-nya like what? What did you been dating?
Yeah, we've been dating and yeah.
No, what kind of girl you been dating?
Jawab, Gatot. Coba, Gatot. Jangan bingung, Gatot. Answer it, man.
The not so good one.
Hah?
No, it's not about that so good one. It's
Apa?
what kind of girl you been dating?
I don't know.
You have to have answer, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
A not so good girl.
Not so good girl.
No.
What is the definition of
Yeah.
not so good?
I don't know.
See, everything money talk.
Yeah, that's true.
Ada uang abang disayang, nggak ada uang abang didenda.
Tapi jangan pakai moto itu. It's
Nah,
not good kalau seperti itu.
I
I
already
still-
give up here. I don't wanna try any more girl, man. Cause
Kayaknya you shot so many time but never.
never get it.
Oh, berarti.
no.
Bad luck here. Makanya gua nggak suka banget tinggal di sini karena
I don't know if about luck,
No,
bro.
because he like to ghosting, Lagi viral nih ghosting itu.
Are you?
ghosting itu apa sih?
You just left,
Yeah.
you just leave.
Kamu yang paling sering di ghosting atau kamu ghosting orang? Gatot, menurut you.
Gue sering di ghosting.
Just leave. All of a sudden.
Gua
you
yang
just
di ghosting, bukannya gitu. Gua
Tapi kok Lewi bilangnya you sering dia
Nah,
ghosting?
Enggak, karena dia lagi dekat sama cewek. Tapi pikiran negatifnya itu menutupin semua pikirannya dia. Jadi kayak nanti dia begini, dia nggak suka kali gua supir Uber doang. Gua begini,
Wah,
gua begitu.
iya.
Akhirnya dia apa? Gue bilang, lu tembak, lu bilang lu suka sama dia. Kalau dia
Iya.
nggak suka,
Yeah,
you
that's
know
it.
the answer.
That's it.
Lu kira
That's a
burung
one shot, one
tembak.
kill.
Di pistol itu ada 6 pelurunya kan? Kalau kau sudah tembakkan 6 kali, terus nggak ada kena, itu you try already.
Nah,
Masalahnya
kalau-
you never
Never
nggak pernah pull the
bro.
trigger.
You just
He never
leave.
pull the trigger.
All of a sudden,
Dia bilang,
gone.
kayaknya nih kalau saya tembak ini nggak kena nih, kan?
Iya.
Kayaknya ini kalaupun kena nggak worth it gitu kan?
So many,
Oh, oke.
so many girls kita udah comblang-comblangin gitu kan dari dulu.
Never get.
Pokoknya you fuck.
Karena dia nggak pernah
Ungkapkan.
bilangin.
Nggak pernah ungkap.
Tiba-tiba hilang. Oh dia nggak suka dah gue udah nggak mau lagi text dia lagi. That's the meaning of ghosting.
Tapi
Jadi nggak tahu
tapi
siapa yang
menurut
ghosting, dia yang di ghosting
katanya dia
apa?
di ghosting.
Nggak tahu itu dia.
Kenapa kamu bisa di ghosting? Alasannya apa, Gatot?
The girl's not interested. It could be a lot of factor.
Alah, the factor.
Ini
Jangan selalu otak negatif lu tuh ke situ, bro. Gak selalu otak negatif lu.
tapi emang kenyataan, bro.
Bro,
Makanya lu mungkin nggak, you refuse to believe, but it is what it is.
no, karena kalau dia sukanya bola ya that's their own.
Kita jadi nggak kebagian gitu, ngerti nggak?
Enggak lah. Let me know when I meet you next week. Kalau from tonight, right? Are you gonna work tonight?
Yeah, I could work.
Okay.
I'm flexible.
Okay. Kalau kamu bilang I'm looking for a friend, it's a good a friend, potentially become a girlfriend or maybe make a family.
Dan
No, one
Okay, go ahead.
every one of them. I give you 1 week. Ada satu yang respond.
Pasti lah.
I guarantee.
Pasti lah.
Apa price-nya? I challenge you this. 1 week. I give you 1 week. Pertanyaannya, you wanna take the
Challenge
the
or
challenge or not? Ini disumpah dulu, jangan sampai lu bilang udah cuma semua,
Iya.
gue yang rugi.
Iya.
terus culture-nya sih emang beda banget di sini.
Hah?
About the culture.
Bro, of course. They don't even have a culture. We have a culture. They like our culture,
Exactly.
Kalau lu punya tradisi, lu punya ini, just talk about it. Pasti dia interesting juga lah.
Iya sih.
Iya. Cuman gimana caranya aja bisa ngomong, basa-basi.
Gatot sering kalau suka cewek kayaknya nggak mau ngomong.
Iya, takut
Cuma
dia.
dalam pikiran
Iya.
aja.
Jadi dia begini.
Hmm.
Diam. Nah kalau udah ceweknya udah pergi, wah,
begitu. Susah juga bro.
kampung aja kayak gitu.
Iya iya iya.
Kan lu gue bilang sama dia,
Iya. Oh makanya.
kampung aja.
Tapi kalau you tembak ya Tot, kamu jalan aja lah keliling.
Iya. Kalau nggak diterima ya udah, that's it.
Minimal yang sudah dianu itu sudah dihapus dari list. Ngerti gak maksudnya? Dan now sekarang you just berpikir kayaknya ini nggak suka saya, kayaknya saya nggak suka karena saya orang ini. Akhirnya
Nggak jadi.
nggak jadi. Padahal dia nunggu juga nih cewek
Iya lah,
ini.
pasti lah.
Enggak.
Iya.
Maybe.
Sih. Kalau meninggal besok amit-amit.
Hmm.
Mati penasaran, bro.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Yes.
Janganlah tahu. Mau balik ke Indo kira-kira?
Mau balik pastilah mau balik.
So you're not like spending the rest of your life here like some people.
Enggak lah.
Masih ada orang tua di Indo?
Masih. Ya ada
Saudara.
ibu,
Saudara?
saudara banyak.
Banyak. Ada deadline pulang nggak ada? Atau go with the flow juga?
Deadline mungkin next year. The end of next year.
Next year?
Yeah, next year at the end of next year.
What make you choose Indonesia bro? This is very important.
Feel like karena potential di Indonesia tuh lebih gampang.
That's what I said. See,
I know.
he's willing to give up his benefits and all that.
Of course, karena kenapa benefit itu memang bisa kita ada, tapi kita trap di situ selamanya.
Iyalah.
Karena dengan iming itu bahwa hey, you let go,
and
you
then
finish.
Your comfort zone kill your dreams.
Ya, yes. Nah tadi kan saya tanya bro, dream, what is your dream? Artinya begini kan ada plan. Kalau saya mau pulang ke Indonesia nih, I wanna make, karena kan aku punya experience lumayan. Saya mau bikin cafe, atau saya mau bikin bar, atau saya mau bikin clothing line or whatever. Based dari yang gutmu, apa yang kira-kira you?
Shipping company, e-commerce, maybe some hospitality, makanan-makanan ringan, tempat-tempat nongkrong, and ya I think itu aja sih.
Yeah,
Karena
that can make you free. So selama ini you
furniture, I like furniture.
you gunain tadi seperti union ini menggunakan itu untuk mendapatkan modal yang cukup kan.
Yeah.
I wish you want to stay on track, you know.
Yeah.
Kalau bilang 1 year itu kan deadline itu penting sekali.
Iyalah.
Kebanyakan orang kan tidak punya deadline ini. Kalau yang kita bicarakan di sini, bro. Deadline seperti itu bisa berubah.
Iyalah pasti.
Tetapi as long kita punya deadline untuk saat ini,
Ya, jadi kita
itu udah
fokus
sih ya,
gitu
iya
ya.
tak? Itu
Di sini tuh cuman bikin uang, kumpulin duit, nabung.
I think you don't wanna go home. So,
Everybody wanna go home.
yeah.
Jadi fokus.
Yeah.
Gitu loh.
Nah, wow, I'm surprised actually you actually also mau pulang ke Indonesia.
Sekarang
Interesting.
karena di sini gini-gini aja sih. Iya. Mau bikin usaha juga mungkin bisa, tapi butuh modal yang besar. Apalagi pandemik gini. Every business is down.
But that's not the only thing. The family also, right?
Yeah.
The rent is
Of
crazy.
course,
yeah.
yeah.
Lama ya. Di sana mungkin baru nanti kita seleksi yang mana cewek mana nih yang cocok tadi yang kita bicarakan ini nyambung ke situ kan.
Iyalah,
That's what I like, bro. Good luck. Anyway, bro, thank you very much.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay,
Peace out.
peace out.
na te